What are we riding, guys?
Scariest coaster in the park. What's it called, Clara?
Rock bottom coaster.
It goes up and then down, vertical.
Have fun. What are we riding, guys?
A roller coaster, which is like one of the longest, but not the scariest. Yeah, I've been a lot of them.
Awesome. Have fun.
I'm trying some lemon extra virgin olive oil with raspberry vinegar. Yum.
Sounds good.
Oh wow, that's amazing. I love it with the raspberry. Yeah. That's fantastic.
Strawberry. How's the raspberry, Savannah?
Is it tart? Is it like a sweet tart?
Is it sweet? Tart? Yeah.
What have you got, honey?
Which one?
You're hiding.
Keep still.
Got lots of beta carotene in it and vitamin D.
Ooh, good.
It's nice. And healthy. Very good. Win-win. Yeah.
Well, after some scary roller coasters, I think it's time for a nice, refreshing glass of wine here at VOMFASS. You can do a little wine tasting before you try, and this is local Minnesota wine. Brianna, named after one of our friends. And that's really good. All right, Savannah, walk in.
Come on in.
Let's go.
What a wonderful afternoon we had at VOMFASS, experiencing the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle through a cooking lesson with Tamara and getting to taste all the wonderful oils that are so healthy for you and learning all about them, as well as tasting a little bit of wine. There's liqueur in there you can taste as well, and their philosophy is to try before you buy. So get in there and make your afternoon a delicious and healthy one.
Pizza wins every
I took
time.
a big chance and went with pizza. But we're also going to start with a salad, and you're going to help me make it. Everything we do here at VommFass is related to the Mediterranean lifestyle, and I like to call it the Mediterranean lifestyle instead of just the Mediterranean diet, because people get a little bit anxious when you talk about a diet. It's really just a way of eating and living that's healthier.
Margarita or what was it? Chicken, did you say?
Chicken, yep. Margarita. Okay, cool. Arugula pine nut pesto. And you're going to scoop about half of this into the bowl. And again, half of the whole jar. Yep. And we're not going to measure just because I personally am not a perfectionist and I like just kind of winging it.
Sounds
but
like me.
Also, fewer dishes. And also, it doesn't really matter. I want to show you that you don't have to be precise with cooking like you do with baking because it'll turn out good as long as you start with good ingredients. So just scoop about half of that into the bowl.
That's probably where I go wrong in baking then. Try and wing it.
Yeah, you can't wing it in baking, guess.
Alright, that's probably one more little scoop. My favorite Parmesan cheese actually comes from another family-owned business here at the mall. It's called Cheese Brothers.
Yeah.
So if you guys want some cheese, go down and get some Parmesan from them. So just use the spoon and the measuring cup to put about a quarter cup, and then we'll mix that in with the pesto. Alright, then you can stir it all up. You can use this.
Oops. Claire, you're gonna go home and make this thing.
I can't
You
wait.
don't know how to do it. Your mom's gonna love it.
That and spread it all over the crust. Yep, you can use that to spread it. Just kind of space them a little bit evenly. Lovely, now it's all symmetrical. And then the basil will stay on top. So this is fresh mozzarella.
It's Kalira's creation. Rad girl.
This is a lemon artichoke pesto, a little bit more, like
Yum.
two more big spoonfuls. Hold it here, and then you can scrape it out. All right, do you want me to help you with the spreading, or do you want to do it?
I want to.
Okay, you do it. This part probably takes the longest, huh? Do you know how to work tongs? That might work better for you. I sense a bit of a perfectionist there.
Oh, yes.
And the mushrooms I marinated for a little while in sherry vinegar and garlic olive oil, so they've got a little extra flavor on
Maybe
them.
put some for you.
Yum. What did you just make?
I'm sorry.
Are you
That
going
you're
to gobble it down? I am. I'm going to gobble your pizza down. It looks
Alright.
delicious.
Are you ready to give it to
And
Lindsay? Should
yours.
we frisbee it to her or hand it to her?
Thanks, Lindsay.
Hand it to her. Separates again, you can just mix it up again. Or if you like them to stay together, you can. That's where your mustard, honey, or yogurt can help. All right, so let's drizzle a little bit on our salad. Not all of that, just a little bit.
Thanks.
Good, excellent. Now take your big tongs and toss it. Do you like feta cheese, everybody?
Yes.
The dish gets served first. So we're gonna make sure to get some strawberries and some asparagus. Isn't that lovely? Nice job.
Oh, you want to tell me what you made?
I made a salad.
You made a salad. What? And what did you make to go on the salad? Vinaigrette. All right.
You gotta eat it now, Savannah.
I want to see you eat it.
Can I try it?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
I'm very fussy.
Who's fussy?
Me.
Can I just get a picture of that?
Words?
Yes.
Oily. That's good for you. It's in the pyramid, remember?
We've already got a salad and 2 pizzas on the table. So just good demonstration of how quick and easy it is to cook.
We're finishing up another great day exploring Mall of America at the Business Lounge at Radisson Blu. Great place to hang out of an afternoon. You can get wine and snacks. And it's our last day, last evening. Tomorrow we leave, and so tonight we're finishing up at the FireLake Grill in the Radisson Blu. You excited, girls? It's going to be a bit of a fancy restaurant. Fancier?
How in the world am I not moving it right now?
No, you're not moving your head.
Dang.
Alright.
Oh, it's on me! Yay!
We have an exciting meal in front of us. We're eating at the FireLake Grill and House, which is at the Radisson Blu. And what makes it so exciting is that this restaurant is full of dishes that are locally produced, regional dishes. And this, I have walleye, the fish from the lakes, and wild rice. And both of these are Native American Indian dishes. So I'm super excited to try this. What a fabulous restaurant and concept. We love to go local when we travel. We're doing it in style tonight. What's also really great about the restaurant is up on the roof of the Radisson Blu they have beehives, And in the restaurant you can have dishes that has honey in it from the bees up on the roof. So I just love that because we love our bees. They're so important. We look after them. So thanks to Radisson Blue for doing their part. We just got some honey lavender cheesecake. So I'm excited to try some of the honey from the bees on the roof.
I haven't tasted it yet.
Try the bacon. Did you love your time at Mall of America?
Yeah.
What did you love most?
Theme park. Theme park. An American Girl. An American Girl.
It's cool, wasn't it? Do you want to come back?
Yes.
Yeah, and Daddy's very interested in coming back next year for the Final Four. What do you reckon, guys?
You have to speak like that.
Tar Heels? Hoops?
You want to come back for that?
Sorry about that. Daddy talks like like he's talking like a weatherman. Like he's
Weatherman.
yeah, like a businessman, and I don't like it. I might have been
Oh, you sad to leave?
Daddy,